Hello everybody, today I'm gonna be getting ready. I feel like I haven't posted a makeup video in a long time, so let's get started. First, I'm gonna use my foundation. I'm using the Harrooyy Skin Radiant Glow Cushion. Right now, I am kind of obsessed with this cushion. I love how glowy it makes my skin look, and I think this cushion is perfect for the summertime. I'm almost out of this one, but I have two backup, so I'm not too worried. This cushion just gives a nice coverage, medium coverage, and it really makes my skin look glowy. I did get tan, so this cushion is a bit too light for me. So that is why I'm trying to use it up before I get darker. Do you see that glow? Oh my goodness. Look how glowy, like this is my skin without the side with, and it just looks so glowy. Let me zoom you in. See it? Ooh, look at that glow. I wanted to do like a summer fresh makeup, but the weather is so gloomy that I don't know if I should. My foundation is done. I'm now going to contour my face. So recently I've been contouring. Usually I don't contour, but I realized that it really does make a big difference, especially when I'm taking pictures. The contouring is everything. I'm taking my kbeauty matchstick in soft amber. I just got this and I'm so excited to use it. I think I need it on my forehead, but I'll put some here. I'm gonna take a brush and then just blend it out. I really need to invest in a beauty blender. I haven't gotten like a sponge in a long time, but I feel like I am digging deeper into cream makeup, and I think I need a sponge for it. And I'm also digging a little deeper into American makeup. I was on Ulta trying to buy makeup, and I was a little overwhelmed by all the different brands and products. I'm starting to miss like Korean brands. Like I was comfortable and familiar with all the Korean brands, but then now like I have to start getting used to American brands, and I feel like that's gonna take a long time. But you know, I guess I just have to have fun and play around with it. That's why I stick with like brands that I already knew, like Fenty. I got products from e.l.f. But there are a lot of products that like I didn't even know existed. Like I think it's called Tower 21 or Tower 28 or something. Like I really want to try that brand. I also want to try Rare Beauty for sure. What else? I can't think right now. I feel like I didn't get a darker shade for my contour. I don't know. Maybe I did. I feel like when it's summertime, I'm gonna tan into this color because I really want to go to the beaches a lot because I live so close to the beach. Move on to the brows. For brows, I'm using the Peripera Speedy Eyebrow Auto Pencil. I'm gonna quickly do my brows. Okay, I'm using the Benefit Give Me Brow to set everything. This brow gel is so old, like so old, like probably like 3 years old. But I don't know, I still like it. It still works. I should probably toss it because it's expired. But it doesn't smell like anything. It doesn't smell bad, and it works still, so I don't want to throw it out just yet. I still really like it, and there's still a lot of product left, so that is why I still have it. Okay, let's move on to the eyes. I'm gonna use my Clio Pro Eye Palette in 12 Autumn Breeze in Soul Forest. I really like this palette. I really like the glitters, the shimmers, the sparkles, the matte. It's just a really good all around palette. Okay, first I'm just gonna take the lighter shade here and then apply this all over. Another thing I want to do is start applying colors to my eyes. Like, I've only used neutral palettes, and that's because in Korea they mostly sell neutral palettes. Like, they don't sell colorful eyeshadow palette. But in America there's so many, so I really want to start playing around with colors and apply color to my eyes. When I was in Canada, I would apply like blue eyeliner, and I really love that. But they don't sell blue eyeliner in Korea, or at least I didn't find any blue eyeliner in Korea, so I was never able to wear it. And like, even if I did, I felt so out of place because like nobody wears blue eyeliners there. They just stick with like natural neutral colors. I'm really excited to explore out and try different colors and combinations of different colors and have rainbow eyes. Okay, I'm gonna take this color now. It's a little darker. I'm gonna do like a smoky, light smoke. Okay, I know it looks scary, but trust the process. I'm gonna blend it out. I think this is all I'm gonna do with my eyes, because I don't know, usually I put glitter and all that, but I just feel like keeping it very simple today. Nothing like shimmery, nothing crazy, just simple. Next, I'm going to line my eyes. This is the 3CE Creative Filter palette. I'm gonna take the brown here. I just take a thin brush with brown and I just press it between the lashes. The reason why like I'm comfortable with the brush and eyeshadow is because I feel like when I use a pencil, I like tug my eye. It's not as long wearing as the pencil, but it works for me, so I like it. And then how I like to line is I just follow my natural shape right here, and that's it. That's all I do is follow the natural shape of my eyes. I think I'm gonna try a black liner. I haven't used a black liquid liner in a long time. I just bought this. This is the ColourPop liquid liner. I'm gonna draw a very, very, very thin line. And I'm gonna stop talking. Let's do blush now. Oh no, let's do mascara. What am I doing? I'm gonna curl and I'm gonna apply the Peri Peri Ink Black Cara Long Lash. This mascara is also expired, but I haven't had the chance to go out and buy new mascara. I honestly think when it comes to mascara, like, you could just use a drugstore mascara. I mean, if I have monies, then yes, I would buy some fancy mascara, but I'm on a budget right now because I'm trying to plan a wedding. Weddings are not cheap. Okay, now let's do blush. I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Blush in color Caribbean. It's really dark. I didn't know it was gonna be this dark, but the texture is very unique. It's like, it's cream, but it applies like powder. It's really cool. So yeah, I'm just gonna take it in a brush like this. It's also very pigmented, so you have to be careful. Like, I think I applied too much already. I'm just gonna add a little bit of shimmer, a little bit of highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter. It's by Roman. It was part of their K Heritage collection, and this is the Moon Kiss Veil. And the reason why I like this so much is because it just gives like that natural glow to the skin, and it's not too shimmery. It just gives such a beautiful glow, and that is why I like it. I could literally just apply this everywhere because it's just so beautiful. Lastly, let's do the lips. I am obsessed with this lip product. This is by Roman. It's the Lasting Melting Balm by Kaya Fig. And the reason why I'm obsessed with it is because, well, right now my lips look dry as F, right? It looks so dry, but if I apply this, you You see that? So pretty. I'm like so sad that I didn't buy more when I was in Korea. I mean, it's not like sticky, it just feels like lip balm. And it's also hydrating as well. Like I don't even need to apply a gloss because look at this. I love it so much. I'm probably gonna ask my sister to send me some. But this is it. This is my makeup for today. Let me fix my hair. Thank you so much for joining me as I get ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.